You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words in more confusing vocabulary. So how do you say it correctly in British English and American English? They're rather similar pronunciations. Accumulation. Accumulation. Stress on the second syllable. Accumulation. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Accumulation. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.